If you're planning to try hair removal for the first time and wondering how it's best done, don't worry. I'm here to tell you exactly how and what you should do. Hair removal is best done in the bath under a warm shower. Step 1 is to hydrate your skin with some water. Select a product that is designed for women. For the smoothest experience, go with my favorite, the Venus Breeze. It comes with these built-in gel bars which have avocado oils and also has a rotating head that allows it to smoothly glide over a woman's curves. Thanks to the gel bars, you don't even need to apply soap if you're using Venus Breeze. Also, unlike waxing, this isn't painful at all. And this doesn't have strong chemicals like the hair removal creams. Step 2 is to glide Venus gently on the skin in the opposite direction of hair growth. Venus is safe to use on all the body parts, be it your arms, legs, underarms, and even bikini area. Step 3 is to apply your favorite moisturizer. Did you know that using Venus removes dead skin cells and exfoliates the skin? That's why my skin always glows the day I use Venus. Always store Venus Breeze in a dry area in your bathroom. Remember to change the refills once every 2 to 3 months or when you feel that the gel bars have faded. Doesn't that feel amazing? I started my hair removal journey with Venus and use it every week now. If you're new to the Gillette Venus India channel, make sure to subscribe for all the tips you need for skincare and hair removal.